Welcome back to Easy English Chat, the podcast that helps you speak English every day, step by step. I'm Anna Davis, your English coach and friend.
And I'm Jason Gray. Hey everyone, thanks for joining us again. Today we're talking about something everyone does, every single morning. Your morning routine.
That's right. Today's topic is how to talk about your morning routine in English. This is perfect for English beginners because we all have a morning routine, and it's a great way to start using English in daily life.
Yes, in this episode, we'll talk about common morning actions, useful vocabulary and phrases, grammar for daily habits, and we'll practice with mini conversations. So grab your coffee or tea and let's start our English morning together.
Okay, Jason, let's start with the first part of the morning, waking up. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Sometimes earlier, sometimes later, but usually around 6:30. And you, Anna?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. I'm not a morning person. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm and stretch a little in bed.
That's a great start. When I wake up, I always check the time, then I get out of bed and open the window. I like to let some fresh air in.
Oh, that's nice. I sometimes open my window too. It makes me feel awake and ready for the day. Let's teach our listeners some useful phrases for this step. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed. I open the window. I stretch in the morning.
Perfect. And remember, we use the simple present tense to talk about routines. I wake up, I get up, I open the window. It's something you do every day.
Exactly. Now let's do a mini practice. Repeat after us listeners. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
Nice! That's your first English step of the day.
After waking up, what do we do next? We usually go to the bathroom, right?
Yes, we brush our teeth, wash our face, and sometimes take a shower.
That's right. I usually brush my teeth first, then wash my face. Sometimes I take a shower in the morning, but not every day.
I always take a shower in the morning. It helps me feel fresh and clean. Then I dry my hair and get ready for the day. Let's share more useful vocabulary. Toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, towel, shampoo, mirror.
Let's use these in sentences. I brush my teeth with toothpaste. I wash my face with soap. I dry my hair with a towel. I look in the mirror.
Great examples. And remember, I brush my teeth, not I brush my tooth. We use teeth because you have more than one.
Good reminder. Now let's practice together.
Okay, listeners, repeat after me. I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I dry my hair.
Good job! You're doing great so far.
Now it's time for my favorite part, breakfast.
Same here. I love breakfast. Jason, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk, and I always drink coffee.
Coffee is important. I usually drink tea and eat bread with butter or fruit. Sometimes I make oatmeal. It's healthy and easy. Let's give our listeners some common breakfast words.
Let's teach a few clothes words. Shirt, pants, dress, jacket, shoes, bag.
Here are some sentences. I get dressed. I put on my shoes. I take my bag. I leave the house at 8.
Good. I usually leave the house around 8 o'clock. I walk to work because my office is close.
That's nice. I start teaching at 9 a.m., so I leave home at 8:30.
Let's do a short review. Anna, how about a little role-play conversation?
Sure. Let's show our listeners how to talk about morning routines. Hi, Jason. What time do you wake up?
Hi, Anna. I usually wake up at 6:30. And you?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I make breakfast.
Nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread. What about you?
I like fruit and tea. After breakfast, I get dressed and go to work.
Sounds like a good morning. Let's do another short one for listening practice.
Okay.
What do you do first in the morning?
I turn off my alarm and stretch.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink tea every morning.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, I always take a shower before breakfast.
Great job, listeners. You can pause and repeat this part anytime to practice.
Okay, let's talk about grammar. Just a little. When we talk about daily routines, we use the simple present tense.
Yes. For example, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
But when you talk about he or she, you add s to the verb. Example, he wakes up at 7. She eats breakfast. He brushes his teeth.
Exactly. Let's practice.
I wake up at 7.
He wakes up at 7.
I eat breakfast.
She eats breakfast.
I take a shower.
He takes a shower.
Perfect.
Let's review all the new words from today. Wake up. Get up. Brush teeth. Wash face. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Drink coffee. Go to work.
You can use these every day to talk about your morning in English. Try making your own sentences at home. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
I wake up at 7, brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, and go to work.
See the difference? Slow practice helps you understand the words. Normal speed helps you sound natural.
Here's a fun idea. Record yourself talking about your morning in English. It's great pronunciation practice.
Or talk to a friend about your routines. Ask, what time do you wake up? It's a simple way to practice daily English.
All right, everyone. It's time for our question of the day.
What time do you wake up and what do you do first in the morning?
Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your answers and seeing how you use English.
Thank you for listening to Easy English Chat. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And keep practicing your English every morning. Make it part of your routine.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.